Whoa, try to keep it together.
I'm healthcare, or personal Baymax companion.
Kid, how about we call your parents and get them down here?
What?
Write your name and number down on this piece of paper and we can help.
Okay with this?
Shortlist Slideshow!
I wanted to
The
say
shortlist.
sorry.
Ooh, about Tony.
I didn't think about Dicker erasing his memory or about you having to pay the price for a choice.
Teach! This is twin brother.
I know.
Spoony.
Made it worse at the restaurant by trying
Larry's boyfriend!
Anyway, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.
I'm used to knowing what the right thing to do is, but now I'm not
A
sure.
shot list.
I just want to be
Don's uncle.
a good dad.
I put science lab. Don't worry, I got this. Diamonds, kids.
You're super.
I'm super having a good day.
Are superheroes allowed to drink on duty?
I'm definitely not on duty. Ignore the costume.
Which
I know
one?
I should be up there, but I had to step away from the
Cubbies,
fervent
baby.
Gotta get away to keep it pure. I know I do.
Wolves,
breeze. What are
baby.
you getting away from?
Where's your stuff? You.
What you love?
How did the best interview there?
Yeah, I got the stuff.
SB.
People, pleasing them.
Texas interview there.
And now
Francis.
What do you think?
George's uncle.
ease.
Woody's grandma.
Every time.
I'll get dogs into
But hey, it's
Squeal's
What
daughter.
this cake?
What, the screenslaver?
Yeah.
Richards. Pop.
Two. Is that
Zach Finn. It's about to show soccer.
Look at that. One of
Miss
the
Audibles
Squeal's
Finn.
monitors is tuned into my soup camp.
Zeros, baby. Standing is Papa you. Wingas, interview. Paula's uncle.
Maybe he hacked it?
So he's sophisticated
Multi-balls,
enough to do that,
baby.
but he has simple locks on his doors.
Maybe he wanted you to find him.
He wanted
He who lives in the guy. Shot list.
Conceive of technology like this.
We don't have anything on the shot list. Shot list.
Einstein was a patent clerk. You
This is now we're gonna have everything on shot list.
Someone is get a screen in front of their eyes.
No shot list. We have the important to take it.
Really a pizza guy, but it was controlled by the screens built into his glass.
Cheers, you in our rock! Don't worry, but the goddess, it could roars kids! And a sister! Causes kids!
I thought it was best to just.
Happy Halloween! Ayla and Princess Isabel! Yeah, alright.
Super.
It's super.
You got it, Dad! Hooray!
I can't tell you how much I appreciate you watching Jack for me.
Yes, I'm sure your gratitude is quite inexpressible. Don't ask me to do it again, darling. My rates are far too high.
Happy Halloween! Go ahead, Bear! Oh,
Right
God.
and high and stimulating. We deserve each other. Your child is
Please.
valuable. Like all babies, he has enormous potential.
Isabella, go shoot
Super
Big Bear!
more than one power when young.
No, storm! Proteus teacher, are you there? Pit pants, baby! Scotia's teacher, are you there? Thomas's sister, are you there? Save to the blocks! Mom!
Babies can be anything, and your child is
No! Ice cream! No!
Sure. Slept where I worked in a
Knuckles'
theater.
Papa, are you there?
He had not
And
stayed up
his
all
boyfriend,
night, so
we
you
see.
look fabulous in your makeup.
You're putting him
In the chamber, Robert. He is part of the
Somebody is
investigation.
there.
You'll be fine. your challenge
Sophia's
is to manage a
Marys.
baby who has
Are you
multiple
there?
powers and no control
Night
over it.
Fierce,
Yes?
Phoebe,
That's something
Kevin's
I also work
baby.
with music, and I noticed the
Puppet
baby
Wizards
responds
ain't
to
it?
it
Are
as
you
well,
there?
specifically Mozart.
Phidias, friend.
Have lava carbide
Wanton's
for durability
girlfriend.
under duress and cotton for comfort. Interwoven in these fabrics are a nest of tiny sensors that monitor the
Boo
baby's
sister, are you there?
Oh, no.
Ingrid,
What is he doing?
Catamox,
Explain him. The important thing is that the students
No,
have anticipated
mister.
the change in intensity.
Don't worry, the goddess Buzzard's kids.
Cookies, as I learned quite painfully last night. Any solution involving cookies will inevitably result in the demon.
Jack, what's wrong? No!
It means fire.
Shut this. No, even my anything. Shut it.
The flame retardant is blackberry lavender.
Copies, Horsize, Horn, Canary, Beach, Diego, Skywalker Star, are you there?
Exceeded your expectations for us.
What did you pies Halloween? You're the shortest.
Wait, sister, are you there? Reed uses
And your bill will be covered by my fee for being Mr. Incredible.
Handy's
Elastic
Papa, are you
Girlfriend
there?
Program
We are.
exclusive
Tina's
designer.
friend.
No universe and until the but baby.
It's not. Hey, no, wait, be sued. What are you?
I would resist the temptation to stretch. The temperature around you is well below freezing. Try to stretch and you'll break.
So you're the screenslaver.
Yes and no. Let's say I created the character and pre-recorded the messages.
Does Winston know?
That I'm the screenslaver? Of course not. Can you imagine what Mr. Free Enterprise would do with my hypnosis technology?
Sir, teacher, are you there? Witches Kids,
Trust in it.
Isabella,
Superheroes.
Bacon,
I put in jail.
Fierce Kids,
Seem the right height.
Tough Nuts teacher, are you there?
Good fight. I should say I gave you a pretty
Ariel,
good
let the
fight.
guys, Brand,
Does it bother you that an innocent man is in
When
jail?
you failure mission. What?
Why would you count on me? Because I built you a bike? Because my brother knows the words to your theme song?
Not a sound.
You can count on me anyway.
I'm supposed to, aren't I? Because you have some
You
great
shouldest.
costume. The rest of us are supposed to put our lives
Shut list. Shut list.
That's what my father believed. When our home was broken into,
But stop,
my mother wanted to
no!
hide, begged my father.
Zoomies 80, are you there?
Father insisted they call me
Andrew's
superhero.
twin sister.
He died. Pointlessly.
Because he's over
Is a child. He remembers the time when we had parents and superheroes. So, like a child, when
she shares because you don't have the
fools to put their lives in anybody else's hands.
teacher said.
Are you gonna kill me?
Nah. Using you is better. You're gonna have
I have no choice. School is failed forever.